back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and today we have a very exciting Chaumet unboxing. I have the bag right over here, and sorry I've been away for a couple of weeks. Things just started to get a little bit of a hectic since working from office has been resumed. I imagine everyone, can understand what I'm saying here. Anyhow, why don't you grab your cup of coffee? I have mine right over here, and let's get started. So you know what? Without further ado, let's dive right into this unboxing and review what I got from Chaumet. First of all, let's see what we have inside the blue bag. We have this big Chaumet box with something interesting inside. I will open it up later. First of all, let's see what else we have. So here is a booklet sort of a thing, and I think inside we have the certificate of authenticity of this thing that I bought. Well, you guys can already see the name on this card and also the receipt. Now let's see what I got from Chaumet. Open this box up, and inside here is another box. Let's do this. And let's open this up. Ta-da! So what I got is the Jeux de Liens pendant from Chaumet, and the stone is carnelian. Let me give you guys a closer look. So I think everyone is quite curious about the price of this necklace, so let me just tell you guys real quick first. 13,200 Hong Kong dollars. I will also give you guys the price of this necklace in US dollars and in pounds, in euro, so that you guys can have a reference of how much it cost. Now, since I've reviewed the necklace that I got from Chaumet, well, to be honest, I've worn it 2 times already. I'm just too excited, and I just took it out and wore it before I did the unboxing with you guys. But yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. Later on, I will, wear this necklace on me in today's little black dress outfit, and then just give you guys an idea how, this necklace look and feel, on me, and yeah, just to give you guys a better idea. And I think the thing that I want to also talk a little bit about is Chaumet as a brand. The funny thing is that before I decided to go with this necklace, I was doing my own research on YouTube, and I didn't find that many videos talking about Chaumet. There are a lot of other videos talking about some other brands, for example Cartier or Van Cleef and Arpels or Tiffany, but just not so many videos talking about this brand, and I was quite surprised. But this brand is very classic high-end jewelry brand, and it was founded in 1780, and in Paris. It is still based in Paris, and definitely a very classic brand, with very thick history. And the brand was acquired by LVMH in 2012. Yeah, of course, it's either LVMH or Kering, it seems like these days in the luxury world. And this brand has actually a few very famous collections. So the first one is the one we have right here, the Liens collection, pardon my pronunciation. And this one is the signature, entry-level necklace from this collection. They also have another design with this style, but in a round shape. I'll put a photo over here. And the second famous collection from Chaumet is the Josephine collection, which is something I think a lot of people probably have heard about. If you first heard about Chaumet, the first collection you probably will know is the Josephine collection. It was created in 2010, and it was created to as a virtue of the Josephine Empress, who is the second wife of Napoleon. And me personally is a huge fan of that collection as well. I was looking at the ring of that collection, and also the necklace and the bracelet. And I just think it's a very elegant design, very subtle, and you know, very pretty, very feminine, and I like it. And the third famous collection from Chaumet is called Be My Love. B is actually the emblem of Napoleon and also the House of Chaumet. So B is quite a symbol for Chaumet. So you can see a lot of B element in Chaumet design. And Be My Love is a line that is, you know, represents that feeling of romantic, feeling of love. So a lot of people choose that brand as the wedding band or like engagement rings. And I highly recommend you guys to take a look at this brand. It is a very nice brand, beautiful design, beautiful quality, of course, with such a long history, and yeah, deserves more attention. And lastly, I think what I want to talk about here is my struggle when I was thinking which necklace should I get, because I was really struggling between the this one from Chaumet and also the sweet Alhambra necklace from Van Cleef and Arpels. Of course, both in the carnelian gemstone. I went to both of the retail stores multiple times to try them on, and I asked like multiple friends for their suggestions on which one I should get, because it's just very difficult, because they're very similar, but they're both of them from very prestige brand, and similar price as well. And yeah, that's, you know, the majority of the reason why I just keep struggling between which one should I get. But then eventually, as you guys can see, I went with Chaumet. And I think there are probably 3 reasons why I eventually decided to go with Chaumet. First one is, I do feel like this design is more low profile. The Alhambra collection from VCA is a very popular and famous collection. For someone who is not even interested in the luxury world will know this Alhambra collection from VCA, but you can't really see that many people wearing this necklace. And well, as YouTube told me, there aren't even that many videos talking about Chaumet on YouTube. So I think, yeah, in terms of just a bit more low profile, you know, when I wear it out, especially for example when I wear it to go to work, it is not that loud. And the second reason is that I think the sales lady at the Chaumet store is very sweet and nice. I think she definitely won my heart. And I remember when I was at the store trying on this necklace, she was very confident that I'm gonna get this necklace instead of the sweet Alhambra one. So I just feel like maybe I got affected by her confidence, and that's why I eventually went with this one. And the third reason is quite interesting. Basically, I really love the box, like the packaging of Chaumet. I really love the way this box opens up and just have that kind of a dreamy vibe when, you know, when you want to show the jewelry, you opens up like this instead of the classic way of opening up like this for a lot of other jewelry brand. My husband was even joking that given that I like the box that much, I should just go into the Chaumet store and just buy this box instead of spending that much money and, you know, to buy the jewelry. And yeah, you know what, man, they never get it. But anyways, so I think that's the 3 main reasons why I eventually went with Chaumet Liens necklace instead of the sweet Alhambra one. And another thing that is different from the sweet Alhambra necklace is that the Liens necklace actually has a small diamond in the middle of the design, and even though it's small, but it adds a little bit of an extra shining to this necklace, and the sweet Alhambra doesn't have this. To be honest, after, you know, wearing it for 2 times now, I am really in love with this design. And I was even thinking maybe after, you know, some time, for example, for my birthday gift or something, I might gonna get the bracelet version of this similar design so I can wear them as a pair. guys, I hope you liked today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below which necklace you like the most. Is it the Chaumet Liens necklace, or is it the VCA's Sweet Ahamubra collection? And if there is any other fine jewelry that is on your wish list, also let me know. Give me some inspirations for my next fine jewelry on my collection journey. And thank you so much for watching. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more of me talking about luxury and fashion. And I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!